What's going on, guys? Bijan here. So we're going to launch this 135. I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm also going to show you some of the issues as to why your 135 may not launch. With that, let's hop in the car. All right, guys, now that we're inside of the car, there's a couple of things we need to do to set up the car for launch control. First of all, you need to have a DCT. So you would have to have a N55 135 or 335 IS. That is a requirement. The next thing, if you have the correct car that has launch control, what you need to do to set it up is, first of all, one click off your traction control, that light will pop up. Then put it in drive, put it over into sport, push down, and you'll see M1 on the dash. Then what you're gonna do is turn on sport mode. So again, it's traction, one click off, drive, then over to sport, shift down so it goes into manual, turn on sport mode. Now, how you know the car is ready for launch control is if you put your left foot on the brake and then you floor the gas to the kickdown, you should see a little flag pop up. And that's how you know launch control is ready to go. All right, now that you know how to set up launch control and you have all the buttons set up correctly, let's go ahead and launch this puppy. Alrighty, well, that was fun. So now let's get into a couple of reasons why your launch control may not be working. So let's go over some of the obvious things. First of all, if you fully disable traction control, so if you click it and hold it for a few seconds and DSC off comes up, your launch control will not activate. It has to be just one click off. The next thing, if you put it into drive and you put it into sport mode and you don't put it into manual, I also don't think your launch control will activate. One of the last things is, of course, you have to put it into sport mode. Now, if, like me, you're MHD tuned and your car is not launching, it may not be the button setup that is causing you not to be able to launch. If your MHD flashed, go ahead and plug in your phone into the OBD, pull up the app, go into settings for stage 2, for example, and then you'll see burble settings, noise reduction, cold start roar, that sort of thing. But you'll also see a button that says disable kickdown. If you disable your kickdown switch, your launch control will not activate. That has to be deselected for your launch control to activate because launch control works off of the kickdown switch on your gas pedal. That all being said, guys, go out, have some fun, launch your car, make sure you do it in a safe area. Don't do it in the middle of traffic and get pulled over again to an accident. Be safe about it. Also, check your rear tires once in a while. If you keep launching your car again and again and again and again, it's very likely you're going to be missing some meat on your rear tires. Don't have a blowout during launch control. That would be awful. Smash that subscribe button. See you guys on the next one.